good afternoon and good evening to all my students and other viewers. Today I am doing English elective for class 12, which is prescribed for both JAC as well as cbse board. So students, this is my first class. Those who have opted for elective English, this is my first class with you all. My name is Darakhshan Aftab and I'll be taking up the non-fiction part of your elective paper. Alright, so what is non-fiction all about? You all have done poetry in your past, in your school times. You all have done prose, which are nothing but short stories. You all have done essays. You all have done read any other novel in your life. So what is non-fiction actually? So when you look at your book, now the book which is available on the NCERT app online, I have already mentioned the link in the description box. You can just go there, click on the subject English, click on the book Kaleidoscope, and then select the chapter. You can download it so that you can read it whenever you want, or you can read it online as you wish. Now when you open that book and when you go to non-fiction, there what a paragraph is given about what non-fiction is about. So first let us read what non-fiction is, and then we'll proceed on with our first chapter, freedom. Alright? Okay. So the text for your convenience is also on the screen. I have marked the important lines with different colors so that you have no problem whatsoever. You'll be just marking it as I have done it on the screen. You can see it here. Okay. Non-fiction is virtually everything that we read as literature, but that does not come under the categories of novel, short story, play or poem. Non-fiction then is writing that is factually true. It can include articles, editorials, reports, critical essays and interviews, humorous sketches, biographies and autobiographies, lectures, speeches and sermons. So in short, ये पहला पैराग्राफ में हम लोगों को ये समझ में आया कि ना ही ये नॉवल की कैटेगरी में है, ना ही पोएम की कैटेगरी में है, ना ही शॉर्ट स्टोरी की कैटेगरी में है. ये कुछ ऐसा है जिसमें जो भी चीज लिखा गया that is factually true, facts है. Now I understand जहाँ पर imagination वाला element missing होता है, जहाँ पर सिर्फ और सिर्फ facts होता है, it becomes boring. Being a teacher, I know it becomes boring. But my duty is to make it as interesting as I can and as it is possible. So please bear with me, stay with me, keep watching the videos. It will turn out more interesting as we proceed, because see, I also don't like to teach only for the sake of teaching. आपको भी मजा आना चाहिए पढ़ने में, हमको भी मजा आना चाहिए पढ़ाने में. So it has to go both ways. So let us see and just have patience. You will be able to understand the chapter as we begin and as we end. Okay. So this non-fiction generally क्या रहता है? तुम्हारा newspaper articles होगा, essays होगा, editorials होगा, reports होगा, humorous sketches होगा, sketches as in कोई funny किसी के बारे में लिखा हुआ है वो होगा, autobiographies होगा, lectures होगा, speeches होगा, sermons होगा. Like if I start giving a speech right now, वो सब non-fiction में आएगा, because I'll be talking about facts. जो चीज हुआ है या हो रहा है उस चीज के बारे में हम बात करेंगे. हम कुछ imagination element नहीं डालेंगे. That is non-fiction. So obviously अगर non-fiction में imagination element नहीं है तो fiction में automatically होगा. Fiction के अंदर क्या क्या आता है? Novels आता है. So उसमें obviously imagination है क्योंकि तुम create करते हो एक character और फिर क्या क्या होता है. Alright. This section contains 6 non-fiction pieces, 3 by established writers of the canon: George Bernard Shaw, Virginia Woolf, D.H. Lawrence, and फिर आगे लिखा हुआ है कि हम लोगों को क्या क्या पढ़ने मिलेगा इस पूरे non-fiction में. Themes क्या क्या रहेगा? Freedom है theme जो हम लोग का पहला chapter है. Stream of consciousness है, importance of novel as a creative form है, details है filmmaking, और ये सब let us just cut it out. जो important है वो देखते हैं. The purpose of such writing. से question आता है, what is the purpose of non-fiction writing? It's just given here on the screen. You can see it's highlighted with purple color or lavender to be precise. So it's written, the purpose of such writing is to explain, analyze, define or clarify something. Which means ये राइटिंग का पर्पस क्या है कि हम कुछ चीज एक्सप्लेन कर रहे हैं, उसको समझ रहे हैं, उसको डिफाइन कर रहे हैं और जो डाउट है उसको क्लैरिफाई भी कर रहे हैं. टू प्रोवाइड अस विद इंफॉर्मेशन एंड टू शो द हाउ एंड वाई ऑफ थिंग्स. सो नॉवेल्स में क्या होता है, देखो हर चीज को सबसे अच्छा समझने का तरीका क्या होता है, टू कंपेयर इट और टू ब्रेक इट डाउन. तो यहाँ पर हम लोग कंपेयर करेंगे. नॉवल में क्या है कि वहां पर कुछ हाउ और वाई पे फोकस नहीं, उसमें बस चल रहा है, चीजें हो रही है एंड हम इमेजिनेशन एलिमेंट से क्रिएट किए जा रहे हैं और देन बस एक थीम लेके लिखते हैं. यहाँ पर क्या है कि हम लोग वाई एंड हाउ ऑफ थिंग्स पे फोकस करते हैं. ये चीज क्यों हुआ है, ये चीज को कैसे एनालाइज करना है, ये चीज को कैसे एक्सप्लेन करना है, ये चीज को कैसे डिफाइन करना है, ये चीज को कैसे गलत है तो ठीक ठाक करना है. And all those things we study in non-fiction. Alright, okay. So you can see the page on the screen, the first page of the chapter Freedom, and you can very well understand how I have marked it. For example, the first few lines, what does it convey? Then the other few lines, what does it convey? I have highlighted it in different colors so that it becomes a little interesting for you all to understand. And if you want, I will try uploading all the chapters, the photo of all the pictures of this chapter in one PDF format so that you can have it whenever you want to study. You can read it. I'll do that, but not in this lecture. I'll try to do that as the lecture ends. Alright, till then it is here on the screen. So in the last lecture of the chapter, I will try to put a link in the description box where it will have a PDF format book. The chapter will be there in the PDF format and it will be all highlighted like this. So you just need to download it and then तुम अपने पढ़ सकते हो घर पे. Okay. So I did not want to begin with the first chapter today because I wanted to just have an interaction with you all, and ये भी क्या interaction है where I just have to look at the camera and speak and assume that you all are listening to me. But still, in difficult times like these, at least I can reach out to you all, so that's important. Okay, and now freedom word क्या mean करता है ये word, ये what it actually symbolizes, what it actually portrays, what it actually suggests, what it actually conveys. Freedom word कितना important है हर एक इंसान के लिए. Try to think. If you have the book, please, you have the you come on, you cannot lie, you have internet connection, that's why you're watching the video. You have the NCERT app link there in the description box. You have to just click on it, download it and read the chapter. So I'm not saying कि एक ही बार में पूरा chapter पढ़ लो because वो बहुत बड़ा chapter है. Just read the first page and come prepared in the next class. I'll teach and hopefully you all like the way I teach today and you will continue watching. So thank you so much and we'll meet again soon. Thank you. Oh yes, one more thing. For your convenience, because you might not know when your lectures will be coming, because I'm also doing core and I've started elective. So you may subscribe to the channel, click the notification bell and click all notifications so that whenever I upload any video, you all will be informed about it and you all may watch if it is elective. Alright, so thank you so much and please be safe. Thank you.